The future is polite. Mastering inquiries with future continuous tense. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to embark on an interesting journey into the future, specifically focusing on the future continuous tense. This video is not just about mastering the tense itself, but also about refining the way we ask about others' plans. The future continuous tense is often used to pose polite inquiries about plans, a skill that can be a valuable addition to your language toolbox. Let's dive in. The future continuous tense is used to express an action that will be happening at a certain time in the future. It's formed with the modal auxiliary verb, will, the base verb, be, and the present participle of the main verb, the verb ending in ing. Here's an example. I will be eating dinner at 7 p.m. Now, we'll look at how to use this tense for making polite inquiries. When we want to ask someone about their future plans, we can simply ask, "What will you be doing?" However, there are more tactful and polite ways to inquire about these plans. Using the future continuous tense is one such method. Instead of asking directly, we can assume that the person has plans, and ask what they will be doing at a specific time. This is less intrusive, as it implies that you respect their time and autonomy. Here's an example. Will you be working on the project tomorrow afternoon? To formulate a polite inquiry in the future continuous tense, remember to 1. Begin your sentence with the subject, usually you. 2. Follow the subject with will. 3. Then use be. 4. Add the present participle of the main verb, the ing form. 5. Complete the sentence with the rest of the details, if any. For instance, will you be using the computer this evening? This approach helps to ensure that your inquiries come across as more considerate and polite. And there we have it. You've learned a subtle, yet powerful way of asking about someone's future plans. Remember, language is not just about grammatical accuracy, but also about how we make others feel with our words. By using the future continuous tense in your inquiries, you're communicating respect for the other person's plans and time. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master this useful language tool. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope that this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in the next one.